Hello my people, welcome to Glatory. If today is your first time seeing my video, you are highly welcome, and remember to subscribe to my channel and also follow my page at Glatory Flavors. Today I'll be showing you how I made this pineapple fried rice. Please watch to the end. I'm using this whole pineapple in doing it. I'll be cutting them in half and slicing out the inside. Remember, if you're seeing my video for the first time, remember to show me love by liking my video, sharing them, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I'll be blending the inside into juice, and I'll be setting the pineapple aside. I'll be draining out the juice with the sieve. If you have the cheesecloth, you can use it, but I prefer to use this to drain it out. I'll be pouring the juice inside my washed basmati rice, and I'm adding my 1 cube of seasoned cube and salt to taste. And I'll parboil my rice. As you can see, all done. It's ready to make the fried rice. I'll be using my bell peppers and carrots, spring onions, and coriander as my mixed vegetables for this fried rice, pineapple fried rice. I'm cutting my veggies into cubes. Feel free to choose the vegetable of your choice. All these vegetables is just optional. It's not a must, you must use it. You can do without it. Remember, if you're seeing my video for the first time, remember to like it, share it, subscribe, follow my page. And remember to click on the notification so that anytime I post my video, you'll be among the first to see my video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Okay, this is my mix. All the ingredients I prepare for this are my cashew nut, my coriander, my spring onions, and my marinated shrimp, salt. This is my mixed jollof rice spices and pepper. So all this is optional. You choose whatever you want, but I prefer to add cashew nut into it because I like cashew nut with pineapple fried rice. Here I'm frying my prawn and I'm adding my cashew nut because this is fresh cashew nut. So now I'll be adding some of my onion, and some carrot. I will stir fry them. I'll add my chicken powder, my jollof rice spices, salt, and pepper. I'll let it cook for a few minutes. Then I'll add my rice. And I'll be adding the remaining veggies and the ingredients and mix everything all together. Remember, if today is your first time seeing my video, remember to show me love by liking my video, comment and share and subscribe, and follow my page. As you can see, it's almost done already. Oh, the aroma is so good. My pineapple fried rice is ready. Now I'll be dishing it into the scoop pineapple plate or whatever you can call it. Yeah. Wow, it looks good and it tastes so yummy. Thank you for watching. And remember to like my page, subscribe, and follow my page, and like my video, and share, and comment. Thank you, and see you on my next video. Bye.